everyone, welcome back to another CV Linens video. My name is Myra, and today's video I'm setting up a cute little bridal party or even baby shower mixture of pinks table. Let's go ahead and jump right in. Alright guys, thank you so much for sticking around and watching me put up this mock-up today in our showroom. As you noticed, I did a gold side and a silver side. So let me know in the comments, what is your vibe more like? Are you more golds? Are you more silver? Like this video, subscribe. Don't forget to comment which was your favorite side.
Don't forget to stop by some of our social pages to get some more event inspiration and check out some of our latest videos. Thank you guys again so much, and we'll see you in the next one.